What is better than a glueless closure wig that melts like this? One that came already pre-styled. So this here is a 7-in-1 pre-cut lace, pre-styled baby hair, pre-styled braids, literally straight out of the box, ready to go wig. This one does come courtesy of West Kiss, and they sent this gorgeous girl over in this beautiful brown color with the curly texture. I'm so excited about this one because you're gonna see how quick and easy I installed this one. The main and almost only product we used today was a little bit of mousse, and with this I literally melted the lace. I did not bond it down. It's not bonded down at all. I use this product to style the baby hair, which we can always touch up a little bit. It did come with this baby hair already pre-styled, but you can definitely send this back into the rest of the hair if it's not your jam. And then it also came with the braids, so we are good to go. Oh, and did I say that this one is no glue? This one is 100% glueless. There is no glue, no gel, no spray. It's not bonded down. It just fits my head like a glove, and I used a little bit of mousse to melt it in. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing how we got this look, keep on watching. Okay ladies, I am absolutely excited and blown away. I can't even talk right now. This is so gorgeous. Y'all, I am so blown away. Look how gorgeous this color is. It's gonna look so good against my skin. And that's not even the best part. I didn't even realize. Do you see that? We are going with a braid in the middle. I am so excited. So I left the little styrofoam paper underneath so you guys can see what's going on along the hairline. This one is pre-cut lace. It does have some pre-styled baby hair right here. And then of course this is the color and the curl pattern. When you remove that, you guys can see the lace has that scallop cut, so it's going to give a really camouflage look. When you put it towards the center, it gives that this is going to go like a side, and you have a baby hair piece that accents it. So I literally feel like we're not going to have any work to do at all. When you look at the cap itself, this is one of those nice, smooth, soft, comfortable caps. The back looks like it's going to hug really nicely, and it does have a comb back there but no adjustable straps. And then the removable elastic band is here. I say removable because of course if you don't like these, remove it, and if you do, adjust it to your liking. For marker, I just go to the center, and then if it's too loose or too tight, I can go in and adjust it. We're gonna go ahead and put this one on right away because I'm so excited to see how it's gonna fit. And it just sits below like this, nothing too crazy. And then put the back on. Okay, so the elastic band was too tight, so I'm adjusting it right now. Okay, come on, glueless wig. This one for sure fits glueless. If I lift it up, you guys can see this is where the lace or the cap starts here, and this is where the cap starts here. So you kind of line it up to find your center, and it's on, and it fits glueless, and it is already pre-styled. So this is definitely going to be a fun, super fun look. I love the color on this one. If it's not your jam, you for sure can get more of a natural color, but I am here for these pre-braided braids because you guys know I love to do like braids as an added touch to like my wigs, but my braids never come out this neat. So the fact that they did this for me, chef's kiss. So as always, we can start off in the front. I like to melt mine down, but one thing I will do is just use something liquid like a mousse, because this one fits glueless. You do not need to bond it down at all. You just want to like almost like wet it down to melt it, if you will. And this also doubles as like a, how do you say it? You guys know how I like to do the dynamic duo. This will do essentially what the dynamic duo does. So it's like an all-in-one where like I'm kind of like melting the lace, laying the top down, and I'm also kind of like securing those edges along the hairline. No heat needed. Even along here, I'm using it to kind of get it flat, and it's just gonna give me a start to see exactly what I want to do or how I want to go about styling this wig. And these are these curly pieces. They do have rubber bands on the end. Super cute. Now with these baby hair pieces, you can decide to do literally whatever you want. I'm gonna melt the lace first before I decide if I'm gonna trim them down. I'm just gonna take a little bit of edge control, hit it at the base of this baby hair. Then I'm gonna trim it shorter. Okay, and then this side I'm gonna bring forward, and you always put a little extra mousse at the front because this is what gets frizzy the most, in my opinion. Okay, Okay, next I'm gonna take the Melt Belt, and this one is from West Kiss, and I'm just gonna apply this along the hairline because we're not gonna use any glue. It definitely fits glueless, but I want it to melt. When it melts, that's when you get the real slay effect. So we're gonna be able to say no glue, no gel, no spray, but it will look like we are telling a lie. Okay, so I have a little bit of this left, and this is the Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate Repair Curl Cream, and this is from Shea Moisture. I have a little bit more than a little bit left, but this is something that I've been experimenting with. You know, you're always buying products for your kids' hair. I'm gonna go ahead and wet my hair down first. There's not a lot of water in here left, so I might add a little bit of mousse because I don't feel like getting up to go and refill my water bottle. My water. Okay, I'm completely out of water. Let's just take a shower comb and detangle. Now this is gorgeous, big, and fluffy. Like, I literally wouldn't mind keeping it like this. Also, look at how much definition you get from this product. So I'm gonna take this Shea Moisture product, and it smells pretty good. It's not like, oh, but it's, you know, it's a good smelling product. And I'm just gonna go ahead and moisturize these tresses on both sides. I don't want to overdo it. Sometimes I will kind of like overdo it with the product, so I'm trying to learn the less is more theory. Prove that to myself, if you will. The most hair product you need is usually on the ends. Look how the hair will naturally absorb and take to that product. I do feel like the ends could use something, so I'm going to take a little bit of that product. I said I wasn't, but mainly focusing this on the ends so our ends are not super dry, because I don't really want wet curls. Of course, I'm using like water and liquid, but I don't necessarily want like wet curls. I want the big dry curls. I just want them to be super like defined. And this is the exact action I was looking for with the curls. They are still big, nice, and full. They still give like a natural like dry curl where the movement is there, and I just like the way it looks. So now I can push it back, and I'm gonna blow dry the hairline because I really want it to melt, and this happened so quickly that I really want to make sure this is like, okay, I think I'm ready to take this off. Oh yeah, looking really good, ladies. So I want to keep the baby hair wispy. I don't necessarily want it to look glued down, which is why the ends look like that. Oh, I like it. I don't even know if I want to add like a lace tint to it. I don't think it needs it. I think I'm about to ruin it because the lace actually looks really good with nothing added. Like, I almost forgot that tinting the lace was a step. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my handy dandy Ruby Kisses, and I'm gonna just take and just buff it. Sometimes when you don't know what you need, kind of like pat it in sporadically and see what you get. It honestly looks like it's not making a huge difference anyways. And then look at the hairline. You can barely see where it starts. Oh yeah, that's the one. Okay, so I am changing my shirt. I wore this shirt in another video. So we're going Skims on the top. For the titties, this is just a Skims tank and a Skims bralette. This is the look, y'all. I'm super excited. Always keep a handy dandy towel around when I do hair and makeup. But this is from West Kiss, as we already know. Do I have the right side up? Yes, I do. I love the little kiss, the little lip print on the packaging. I love the pink with the red. It's definitely giving a Valentine's. I don't think that was intentional, but it's definitely giving Valentine's Day vibes. And then this is our goodies. I know mine looks messy because I've rummaged through it. This is the Melt Belt, and as you guys can see, this is what I use to melt my hairline. And then from here we do have a purple bonnet. They also provided us with some 3D mink lashes, and it does say West Kiss. This is their brand. They also gave us HD wig caps, and then they also gave us a pink baby hair brush, as well as a dust bag for a wig. It has that good nice red and gold classic West Kiss hair writing with the their social media handles all over the back. So make sure you tune in, including their WhatsApp. For specs, this one is a 7-in-1 brown curly pre-cut 5x5 HD closure wig, and it is 22 inches in length. Of course, I have the direct link in the description box. They also have some deals going on. I see something that says 37% off, something that says 43% off. So you can definitely go in there and save a coin on some of their items. I am super excited about this one because how amazing is it that I was able to install this wig. It's 100% glueless. It came with baby hair, which also, if you are a girly who is not into the baby hair, you can literally, I'm not going to show you because I don't want to mess mine up, but you can literally like edge control or send this back. The way it was when it first came, it was longer, so it could just like curl right into it, and it's like nothing ever happened. I love the style, and the icing on the cake is that like you literally can't even tell, like you don't see a big thick bulky piece of lace anywhere. It literally is seamless. This one is definitely going to look really pretty poolside with your oversized shades, and it looked like you did a whole lot of work with the braid detail. Now you can obviously remove the rubber bands and rebraid it or do a different design or just make it bust down middle part, side part. This is literally just a regular closure wig, so you don't have to keep the braids. I just like that added flair because it looks like I went ahead and got my hair professionally done. And then again, once I'm over it, or once it gets like, you know, braids are always going to get like old, if you will, take it out and redo it, or do another style, or do no style at all. But you really can't beat that with a bat, especially because it came glueless with baby hair, pre-styled, literally good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave this one in the description box. I'm also gonna go ahead and let you guys go. Be sure to check her out on your way out. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.